Hi, welcome to SARAS kitchen. Today my recipe is Paneer Butter Masala, also known as Paneer Makhani. It's a North Indian dish, but everyone likes Paneer Butter Masala. It's a very good side dish for chapati and naan. Already I posted Paneer Butter Masala without onion, but this one is restaurant style. Let's see how to do it. Drop the tomatoes in boiling water. Close it for 10 minutes. Drain the water, remove the skin of the tomato, blend the tomatoes and make it as a puree. Soak the cashew nuts in hot water for 10 minutes and make it as a fine paste. Remove the skin of the onion and cut it into small pieces. Cook it in hot water for 5 minutes. Drain the water, cool it and make it as a fine paste. Onion paste, tomato puree, cashew nut paste and ginger garlic paste. If this 4 paste you make it ready, it will be very easy to do. Heat 2 tablespoons of butter and 1 teaspoon of oil. Add cinnamon, cardamom and cloves. When it sputters, add onion paste. Add little bit of salt. Saute till it becomes golden brown color. Now it has changed its color. Add ginger garlic paste. Saute for some more time. The oil has oozed out. Now it's time to add the cashew nut paste. Saute for a few minutes until the raw smell goes out. Now it starts leaving the oil. Add the tomato puree. Mix it well and cook for few minutes. Now it's time to add the spice powders. Chili powder, coriander powder, and garam masala powder. Mix it well. Cook until the raw smell of the tomatoes goes and it starts leaves oil. It is very important. Please be patient. According to your taste, add salt. Shallow fry the paneer. Now you see, start letting the oil. Add water. If you want a thick gravy, add less water. Otherwise, according to your taste, you can adjust the water. Check the salt now. If you want, add more salt. Add the shallow fried paneer. Add the paneer cubes and mix it gently. Turn the heat to low and cook for few minutes. Crush the kasturi methi leaves and add the paneer masala. Mix it gently and switch off the flame. Garnish with fresh cream. Restaurant style Paneer Butter Masala is ready. Try this recipe at home. If you like it, please like my video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching SARAS Kitchen.